So here's the long-awaited video that we'll all be waiting for, and that is all about NFT. So if you want to stay tuned to updates like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and let's just dive right into the video right now. Alright, what is NFT, you may ask? Alright, NFT is a short word, it's an acronym for a non-fungible token. Non-fungible token, meaning that it cannot be replicated in any way, just like your normal currencies. Alright, we have Bitcoin, we have a dollar. Okay, for instance, let's say we have $100. Alright, this $100 can be split into $50, into $20, into $1, and when you equate everything, it will still be up to $100. $250, $50 is $100. $50 and then two pieces of $20, and then one piece of, let's say, two pieces of $5 joined together is still $100. So you can't call it a non-fungible item. So NFT is actually called non-fungible item because it cannot be replicated. It's a piece of code that cannot be replicated. Virtually, you can actually make anything digital and NFT, and the blockchain the main blockchain where NFT is officially launched on or very strong on is the Ethereum blockchain. Beside the Ethereum, we have the Polygon, then we have the VeChain, and then we have other blockchains actually developing where you can actually make NFT and upload on. All right. So now you can actually make your photo a very unique photo an NFT. You can make a music video NFT. You can make a song NFT. You can make any digital items that you have an NFT. In this NFT evolution, a lot of users has actually made a lot of money from NFT itself. All right, and that's where the digital artist comes into the picture. All right, those that are good at Photoshop, designing a piece of picture, unique picture, and then selling it as an NFT. All right, you can upload NFT as one piece, and then you can upload it as a lot, like as a collection. All right, where people can buy and sell it. All right, and one thing that you need to know is an NFT cannot be replicated. That's why it's called non-fungible. Like, you cannot split an NFT into two. All right, let's say like CryptoPunk. Now say you have CryptoPunk 1, CryptoPunk 2, you can't split one into two. All right, it's just an entity on its own. Before now, we have pieces of art. NFT is just like pieces of art, just like the Mona Lisa and other pieces of art that we've had from long time ago. All right, we all know that those old pieces of art are being sold at a very, very, very outrageous amount, very expensive. All right, so because they are just one piece. All right, people may try to copy them, but just that single piece cannot be replicated, and that's what NFT is just trying to bring to us in a kind of digital form. All right, so in this case now, it's coming to you in a digital form. That piece of art that you have, another person don't have it. All right, it's only you that have that piece of art. If anybody must have that piece of art, all right, the person have to buy it from you. And nowadays, social media like Twitter, Facebook, they are trying to incorporate this NFT into their platform. And recently, even YouTube itself is trying to incorporate NFT into its platform, giving creator the ability to get NFT as a reward. All right, creator and then audience to get NFT as a reward. So I believe most of you all here already have an NFT, right? Please, I always mention this. Even if I don't mention it, you know that it's not a financial advice. It's not a guarantee that you're going to sell your NFT or make and sell NFT immediately All right, they all have their terms and conditions involved. All right, so make your own research and then before going into it. So now I believe this is probably part of your research. Now, you could create your own NFT and then have it sold at a very good amount of money, or get a private ownership of your own NFT. So this is how to actually create. This video typically tells you how to create your NFT and then add it to the blockchain such that people can as well list it in the marketplace. All right, this video is just going to show you details on how you can do that for free, totally free. So you are going to have to stay tuned to the end of this video, and everything I'm going to do here is going to be on mobile phone. All right, it can be done on a PC using your MetaMask. All right, but I'm going to do it on mobile phone because most of the users here are using mobile phones. So let's just dive right into the video right now. So let's just get started with this in 1, 2, 3. So I'll have to go to my MetaMask. This can also be done from your Trust wallet, but I prefer MetaMask because MetaMask is browser friendly. All right. So I'm on my MetaMask right here. So you're going to have to click on the menu bar and then go to browser. Now when you get to browser, you tap on the search here. All right, and search opensea.io, and then you hit on you see the market already there. You can see in the OpenSea, you can see NFTs that are already there and some collections that are there. All right, so I'll have to click on create an account, connect MetaMask. All right, so if you're using Coinbase, you can connect it with Coinbase wallet, Formatic. I think this wallet connect is where you can use Trust Wallet to connect. Okay, I think you can also connect using Trust Wallet here or using this wallet connect. All right, and there are a host of different other ones here. So I'm gonna use MetaMask right here. I'm already using the app, so that's cool. All right, okay. So I have to switch this. All right, after connecting your wallet, then the next thing you have to do, like I told you, virtually anything can be made NFT, anything digital can be made anything NFT. All right, so you can see images, videos, audios, or 3D models. All right, so you could create them in collection or you could create them singly. All right, so let me select the picture right here to be uploaded as an NFT. Okay, I took this image here and then I kind of redesigned it into something finer. So I'm gonna click on it. Let me put it as NFT. Well, I love the picture. All right, this is nice editing, and then I'll call it 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥 one. Okay, I'll call it 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥. All right. So if you have your NFT, if you've created a website for your NFT where people can go view it, or you have a link for your NFT, you can as well fix in the link here. Although that's not compulsory. Okay. As you see here, they say OpenSea will include a link to this URL on this items details page so that the users can click to learn more about the item, about it. You're welcome to link your own web pages with more details. All right, so that's cool. Link to that item. All right, so description. So here I can literally describe my NFT, so you could describe what your NFT is about, or just what you created, so you give it description. All right, so since most persons create an NFT marking representing something, okay, you could create an NFT like say representing an African background, or an NFT representing an American background, or an NFT representing an Asian background. All right, and what sells the most these days is stories behind every images that they see. The Louis Vuitton and the channel product and then the Gucci product that we buy. It's not that we cannot get those exact products outside, but because of the stories behind them. All right. I don't hope you get my point right now. So I'm just going to give a little description about this TradeX right here. All right, so I have a short little description here for my image. As a TradeX is an exquisite mile representing the trading community. This trading community includes forex, crypto, and digital marketing, hereby creating wealth for all those within its communities. Yeah, so something like that is okay. Then here I choose whether it's a collection or it's a single item. All right, so my if it's a collection, I have no collection. Select collection. Let me. Okay, so it's not a collection, it's just a single item. All right, then here I have to select the property, that is if it has a property. Okay, so I can could include properties, levels, statistics, and then lockable and unlockable content. All right, this means that if the content, if you want the when the owner of the item sees the content, they can. Unlockable content means that it includes unlockable content that can only be reviewed by the owner of the item. All right, so it's only the owner of the item who paid for it that can see this content. All right, so if it's a link, okay, add the password, so enter content password also. So this is not a lockable content. All right, then explicit and sensitive content. So if I set this content as explicit and sensitive, all right, so which means not all users can actually see it. Okay, but this is, I'm not locking the content and it's not explicit and whatever. Then here I could choose the number of supply. Actually, the number of supply for this one is just one, and that's why it's not a collection either. All right, it's just one item. So now you see here, there's a this place here says you should choose percentage fee. All right, this percentage fee refers to the fee that you get each time that your NFT is sold. All right, you get that percentage in fee. All right, so now I'm going to leave it at about, let me just put 10%. All right, payable wallet. So here we'll have to copy payable wallet address. So here I have to copy uh, my wallet address and paste there. All right, so these tokens can be used to buy and sell your NFT. Now this is the token that can be used to buy and sell my NFT. All right, first of all, let me check the token, let me create the token. So the payable wallet, I need to go click copy the payable wallet and paste right there. So copy the address, come here, paste it in. So I've pasted that in. Then I could add token here that could be used to buy this. So USDC Polygon. All right, then we could add money token, let's say USDT. uh Polygon, USDC Polygon. All right, I think that's enough. My you whatever address that you're pasting right here should be on Polygon chain. All right, so like this Ethereum address here should be Polygon on Polygon chain. So this is the available currency uh suitable by on Polygon. All right, so if this was on Ethereum, there are long list of different currency that could be used to buy your NFT if this was on Ethereum. But since this is on Polygon chain, you could only use Polygon, Ethereum Polygon on Polygon network to buy this, or USDC Polygon on Polygon network to buy this. So I could decide to add more tokens if I want to, as available DAI Polygon. So I don't want that. I don't want that. These ones are okay. Then here, display theme, change how your items are shown. All right, padded. All right, or recommended for assets with transparent background, or this contained or covered. So I let me stick with the recommended. Then explicit content, so it's not explicit, so it's okay. Then okay, collaborators, there's no collaborator. I could add collaborator if there's any by using the add button. So it's just as an NFT created by me, so I'll click submit. Okay, okay, that, and then it loads up. Boom, updated. So you can see here, my NFT is submitted here on Polygon chain. The name of the NFT is 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥, and it's 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥 V1. All right, so if you click on it, you see it there. I've not yet listed it on the marketplace. I just created it as a collection, and the collection is 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥 V1. All right, so now let me click sell. Let's sell it. Now the sell price, what sell price you want to sell is, so we could sell it at about, let's say 0.1, 0 point, okay, let's leave it at 0.4 Ethereum. Let me leave it like that, 0.4 Ethereum. Oh, that's way too, a bit too high. Let me leave it at 0.3 Ethereum. And then duration, you said duration, 1 month is okay. Then the starting date should be this, and then all right, so it will be in the list item for sale. All right, so it will be in the marketplace for that amount of time. See, service fee is 2.5%. Creator royalty fee, can you see, is 10%. All right, so this service fee actually goes to the OpenSea platform. All right, so now I've done that. Then I'll complete listing. Okay, to complete your listing, follow these steps. All right, unlock, submit a transaction with your wallet to trade with this currency. This is only needed to be done once. All right, so I'm gonna do that right now. And tap on the message. Okay, unlock. So once you unlock your NFT and then you put it up in the marketplace for sale, you can then wait for a buyer, or you start promoting it, and that just all right. So most persons goes ahead to create a very large collection of over 10,000 pieces of NFTs. So you can upgrade your skills to that level using Photoshop and some script also, and then you make money with NFT. Or most persons buy the already created NFT and they keep flipping it. All right. So let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if there's anything you don't understand. Please hit me up in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and then see you in my next video.